aí galerinha, como vocês estão? De boa na lagoa? Barba na área. E como disse no vídeo anterior, hoje vamos conhecer o balneário Terra das Águas, em Santa Helena, no Paraná. Então aperte o cinto, coloque a tela cheia e lá vamos nós. A cidade é banhada pelo lago de Itaipu, então é praticamente cercada por água. Vocês vão ver nas imagens, o lugar é muito bem estruturado, é muito lindo, sem brincadeira. Deu vontade de até mudar para cá. E aqui não tem só uma, mas sim duas praias. E é aberto o ano todo. É uma área de lazer completa, com 86 hectares. Tem infraestrutura para acampar, em torno de 90 quiosques com churrasqueira, lugar para você parar o seu motorhome ou trailer. Em uma das praias, o calçadão tem 950 metros de orla. E se você gosta de bater uma bolinha, tem opções. Além de quadras poliesportivas, tem também para vôlei de areia. Você pode trazer seu barco, pois tem rampa, e pescar. Inclusive aqui tem eventos de pesca anualmente. Eu sinceramente achei o lugar espetacular. Para acampar ou usar os quiosques tem que agendar e tem uma pequena taxa. Eu vou deixar aqui na descrição a localização e o telefone de contato para agendamento. Agora eu vou deixar vocês com as imagens que ficaram belíssimas. Aprecie sem moderação. Ah, e não se esqueça do like nervoso para fortalecer o canal.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set, never left. She's so bad that the chick made the bag. The gas in the back of the set, never left. She's so bad that the chick made the bag. The gas in the back of the set, never left. She's so bad that the chick made the bag. The gas in the back of the set, never left. She's so bad that the chick made the bag. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set, never left. She's so bad that the chick made the bag. The gas in the back of the set, never left. She's so bad that the chick made the bag. The gas in the back of the set, never left. She's so bad that the chick made the bag. The gas in the back of the set, never left. She's so bad that the chick made the bag. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain and mercy.
Galerinha, não é incrível esse lugar? Vale muito a pena você vir aqui com os amigos e família, fazer um churras, Quem sabe acampar, bater uma bolinha. Bom, faça uma coisa antes, compartilhe aí com os amigos para que eles conheçam. E se você ainda não é inscrito, tá esperando o quê? Se inscreva, não fique de fora. Ative o sino para que o YouTube te avise quando postarmos um novo vídeo. Curta nossa página no Facebook, nos siga também lá no Insta, os links estão na descrição. Ah, e não se esqueça daquele like nervoso. E isso é tudo, pessoal, até a próxima.